Citrus is looking really bright. Arriba, arriba. I don't know what's going on with the citrus. Just gonna swatch that. Ooh, all that glitters is gold. Yes, it is. Hey, shining, shining, shining in your eye. That is really gold. I don't even want to be dabbing too much, you know. Everyone wants to be dabbing, but really and truly, you don't need to dab that much. It's glistening. It's a gold. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is all about the lemon drizzle palette from I Heart Revolutions. This is the new palette that's out right now, and I created this look for you guys. But before we get into the video, if you're brand new to my channel, why not hit that subscribe button? I do videos on Tuesdays or Wednesdays and Sundays, and I would love to have you here, so why not hit that subscribe button? And I will also be giving away some Makeup Revolution goodies, so why not hit that subscribe button right now? Have you subscribed to my channel already? Okay, let's get into the video. The first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyes, and of course I'm using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in original. I use this all the time when I'm doing my eye makeup looks. You guys are probably bored of me talking about it, but I just place them on my eyes and I just blend that in with a beauty blender. And now we are ready to go. So yes, this is the lemon drizzle palette. I don't know if I'm gassing. Like, I feel like it smells. I'm just gonna cover this up because it's really shining. It's really annoying me. But I don't know if I'm gassing, but it smells super lemony. I don't know if it's just me gassing. So yeah, there's some really crazy colours here. They're very glitzy and orangey and zesty, and I'm gonna go in with a look. The first colour I'm gonna go in with is just a base colour, so I'm gonna go in with Sunshine, which is like a deep terracotta colour. I'm just gonna put it on the lids of my eyes. Does everyone remember Michelle Gale? Absolute embarrassment, it was actually Gabrielle that sang that song. Sunshine from my window, that's what you are, my guiding star, making me feel I'm on top of the world. Can I get a witness? Yay! And we are just gonna blend that in using my Real Techniques crease brush. I use the same brushes, guys, all the time. I use the BELLE blush and I use my Real Techniques brush. Those are the brushes I always use when I'm doing an eyeshadow look. So I will leave a link down below, but I always use the same brushes. Okay, so Sunshine's been real. I then want to go in with Citrus, which is a little bit more brighter. However, I'm going to a party and I don't want to be looking like a clown, so this really needs to come correct, you know what I mean? So we're just going to go in with Citrus on the top. This citrus is looking real citrusy. Hey, Citrus is looking really bright. Arriba, arriba. I don't know what's going on with the citrus. And then I'm going to go in with Lemon Slice, just to kind of create like a sunrise effect. And then we're going to go in with Fluffy, which is kind of like a golden shimmer, just to brighten it all up, because I am feeling like a raspberry souffle. Honestly, Fluffy is banging. Look how I just literally put that in the crease of my eye. Like, Fluffy is banging. For a moment I thought it wasn't going to work. For a moment I literally thought, I said to myself, I was like, this is it. I am looking like a tangerine. Ooh, booby is slipping everywhere. I was feeling like a tangerine, guys, and you know, the devil is a liar, because I'm not a fruit. So I think just to finish this look, I'm going to go in with, do you think I should go in with like a brown underneath or like a brown bronze, or do you think I should go for like a metallic gold? I don't want to ruin this look, you know, I do not want to ruin it. I think let's simmer down, and we're going in with Bape, and Bape is like a bronze brown. Just slowly putting baked on the lash line. We don't want to be scaring anyone away. We just want to be baked, you know? So what we're going to do is blend that all in. Okay, blending still continues. Dun, dun, dun. I'm just gonna add afternoon tea, which is a kind of my skin tone brown, and I'm just gonna put it just at the top of the crease, more so just to clean up any kind of golden eyeshadow that's still lingering from Fluffy. And because it's my skin tone, it is gonna look like it's a little bit more blended. Okay, moving on to the highlighter. This is a Champagne and Diamonds Triple Baked Highlighter. Just gonna swatch that. Ooh, all that glitters is gold. Yes, it is. Hey, shining, shining, shining in your eye. That is really gold. So, I'm just gonna. I don't even want to be dabbing too much, you know. Everyone wants to be dabbing, but really and truly, you don't need to dab that much. It's glistening. It's a gold. And we're just gonna pop that just on the cheekbone, you know, just on the cheekbone. And let's blend that in. Okay, so I've blended in that highlighter and I put on my mascara. I'm just gonna use this I Heart Revolution lip gloss in Shell Foam. So funny. I literally love how metallic this lip gloss is. It's super cute and it goes really well with my look. So I'm just going to spray myself with the fixing spray in green tea. You know that like aids in making the makeup set. So yeah guys, this is the final look. So let's just pause this video for 1 second while I talk about my Makeup Revolution giveaway. Also guys, I'm doing a huge giveaway because I went to the event and I got so many goodies. So you can win this whole bag, guys. In this bag we have the multi-line nude, which is what I use to line my lips. We have the Lemon Drizzle eyeshadow palette. We have the Violet eyeshadow palette. We have the Angel Heart highlighting palette. We have the Hidden Triple Baked highlighter, quite illuminated. We have the Chocolate Elixir Glow. We have 5 lippies for you, all in crazy colours to create a sparkling unicorn look. And of course, the I Heart Revolution Unicorn Sparkle Body Mist. Gotta smell good, guys. So to win all those goodies, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, follow me on my Instagram, and leave a comment on this video and on my Instagram page. I'm gonna list the competition details down below just in case you forget. And that's it, guys. You could be winning yourself some lovely goodies. And I'm gonna have this competition running for 2 weeks, so you've got ample time to win those lovely goodies. But I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and if you did, why not give it a thumbs up. As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the list of the links down below, and I'll also leave the list of where you can get these products down below as well. But I guess that's all, guys, and I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember to always stay, what? Bougie.